Hello everybody, it's Harry Boxer, the Tactical Trader. It's Tuesday, November 4th, Election Day. And today, the chart of the day, and this will be Canadian Solar CSIQ. As most of you know, a stock I've liked for many months and wrote it up and got stopped out of it on a couple times on the way down. But on a 15-minute chart, you can see that the downtrend in existence since August, when the stock was in the 20s, culminated in a spike down into the 7.25 area. Then a retest was successful. That's about where we purchased it. And we traded it out when it spiked up into this area. But the stock continued higher. As you can see, it's now in an uptrend. It's broken the declining tops line channel here. Had a burst of volume and a breakaway gap here. So this stock looks like it may want to move higher. But it has had an extended move from about the 7.25 area up to 13 or so. Although it could easily get back up into if it gets above today's high, move up into the 15-16 zone where there's much more formidable overhead resistance, and I expect that level to be more compelling in terms of sale. But obviously with long-term implications on this stock are much higher. I would expect to see a move up to that 14.5 to 16 zone, and then a pullback retest of some sort. Very, very short-term support is at the gap and today's pullback low around 11.5. So short-term traders may want to keep a stop under 11.5. If it does fill the gap, the support is around 11, and then beneath that is around the 10.25 zone. But from a daily chart, you can see that the stock had come down in a big move from the June high around 51.80 all the way down to 7 and change. So one hell of a drop there. Now the longer-term trend line would show right here that the possibilities exist that this stock could get up into the 1920 zone eventually, but I'd be looking for resistance at the declining 40-day moving average and at these highs and in this resistance zone to be more formidable. It could result in a pullback to retest the 10-11 zone at some point, and I'd be looking to buy if that does occur on low volume.